Welcome to JH. Recently, the name tickregarder.com has been popping up everywhere, with plenty of people wondering if it's a legitimate gold mine or just another digital trap. The site claims you can activate monetization and earn easy cash simply by watching or reviewing TikTok videos. It sounds like a dream job for anyone who already spends 8 hours a day scrolling through dance challenges. But let's see if the reality matches the hype. First off, there's the registration date. Our records show the website was created in November 2025. Either they've mastered time travel, or it's a brand new platform trying to look established. When a site promises easy money before it's even had its first birthday, you should probably be a little skeptical. Then there's the Activate Monetization button. Instead of providing clear instructions, it just redirects you to a completely different, unrelated page. It's like walking into a bank and being teleported to a laundromat. Hardly the sign of a professional operation. The red flags keep waving when you look for a social media presence. There is absolutely nothing. No Instagram, no Facebook, and ironically, no TikTok account. For a company that claims to be a leader in TikTok monetization, being a digital ghost is a bold choice. It's the online equivalent of a guy in a trench coat selling Rolexes in a dark alley. You just know something is off. If you're looking for help, don't bother clicking the support or privacy policy links. They look like buttons, but they're actually just dead icons that lead nowhere. It's a brilliant strategy for avoiding customer complaints. If you don't have a support page, you technically have a 100% satisfaction rate. Furthermore, while they claim over 15,000 people have successfully activated their monetization, independent sites like Trustpilot show exactly 0 reviews. I suppose those 15,000 users are just too busy spending their imaginary millions to leave a comment. So, is tickregarder.com legit? Based on the evidence, that's a hard no. Between the sketchy redirects, the lack of social media, and the non-functional support pages, this platform is a high-risk zone. Do yourself a favor and keep your personal details to yourself. Thanks for watching until the end. Stay safe out there, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews that actually make sense.